Happy birthday! Wish you to grow
be a good boy.
Healthy.
Hello, Kia.
Hello, Kia. Happy
Good morning. It's your birthday today. We wish you a good health at saka dapat malakas lagi.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Kia. Happy birthday, Kia. We wish you good health. We hope that you will spend your vacation with us next time.
Happy birthday.
2, 3, go.
Happy birthday, Kia. We love you. See you soon.
Hi, Kia. Happy birthday. More blessings to come and have a good health.
Enjoy your day and makulit. Happy birthday.
We love you.
Happy birthday, Kia!
Hi, Kia. Happy birthday from your pinakamagandang ate.
Hi, Kia. Happy 7th birthday. I wish you all the best na maging mabuting bata, magalang na bata.
Birthday, Kia.
Smile naman.
One more. Uy, one more.
Hi, Kia. Happy 7th birthday. Be a good boy always to your parents. Wala akong gift, but meron akong pa-birthday greetings from Ninang Janet. I love you.
Birthday, Kia. Birthday, Kia. Abing ano na yung
Hi, Kia. Happy birthday. Ang wish ni Ninang sa'yo, lagi kang healthy at laging mabait, especially.
Hi, Kia. Happy 7th birthday to you. Wish you all the best. And enjoy mo lang ang buhay mo. And ingat ka palagi. Yun lang. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Kia. Happy birthday, Kia.
Always be a good boy.
Always listen to Nanay and Tatay. See you soon. We love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Sabi din ni Ninong si. Bye. Happy birthday, Kia. I wish you good health and good life. Happy birthday.
Birthday, Kia.
Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Enjoy.
Happy birthday, my dear Kia. On your special day and always, remember how deeply loved, cherished, and appreciated you are. 7 incredible years have passed and you blossomed into an amazing individual. Continue to shine bright with laughter, love, and unforgettable moments. May God's blessings and guidance be upon you always. Love, Ninang V.
Happy birthday, Kia Listonis. I love you so much. I love you.
Happy birthday, Kia.
Happy 7th birthday, Cousin Kian.
From Aquino and Panergo family.
God bless.
God bless.
Love you, baby.
Hi HJ, I wish you happy 7th birthday. Love you. Enjoy mo yung day mo kasama si nanay tatay. Happy birthday.
Go! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, God bless.
Happy birthday, Kia. Many more birthday to come.
Happy birthday, Kia. We love you.